It is a Farmall Friday. Boom! I'm bidding on two tractors. I do a lot of online auctions that I never showed you in the past, and quite frankly, why haven't I? I don't know. So I'm going to tonight. Super MTA diesel says it was fully restored in 2014. You'll see the details. And a 1974 1066 with a cab. Let's check it out. I don't want to play movie spoiler. Right, March 2nd, Cherryvale, Kansas. Again, Super MTA diesel. And we saw one of these down at the farm show, what, a month or two ago, something like that. But current bid right now is $5,300. And I'm going to change that. So you're going to watch me bid, place bid, confirm 5,400. Okay, so return to listing. And I should be green. In theory, let's see. Green machine, okay, there's the 10. Current bid, 5,500. All right. So, this is selling tomorrow, and I am bidding on it. How high am I going to go? Again, it has to do with, it's out in Kansas. It's gonna run me some G's to get her hauled, but this tractor, I'll be surprised. Somebody was like, 20 grand? Yeah, I think it could go 20 grand. I think it could actually go 25. And this is, yeah, see, I'm green. Your current pre-bid is 5,400, so I'm in the lead right now, but that's not going to win that tractor. There's no way. I just don't see it going for anything less than $15,000. I just don't. They're that rare, and in this condition, let's see. So, McCormick Farmall Super MTA gasoline diesel 540 live PTO wide front, one set of remotes, completely rebuilt and restored by James Honeycutt in 2014, paperwork attached. So 2014 seems to be the year for both of these, and we will see with the 1066. So I wonder if the same guy owned both tractors. 10 years a long time, man, but most of the times guys rebuild these and restore these and they don't abuse them, So anyways, I'm in the lead, 5,400. Let's listen to this thing run. See if it's worth continuing to bid on it. Either way, a 1066, 1974, I will be bidding on this. In fact, if you look there, your current pre-bid is 6,800. That's me. that shouldn't, in theory, win this tractor or even come close to it. Nice straight machine again. The big goofy cab that I don't like on a muscle tractor at all. Now, again, if the amenities are there, if the AC works, the heat works, maybe worth keeping on there, but chances are I'd get it home, get that cab off there, and get some fenders on there. So we go down. This is Anderson Auction. This is clear out in Cherryville, Kansas. And that darn silver barn, he's about 2.5 hours norte of there. But if we go to the description right here, you know, a lot of stuff was done to it, but it was done 10 years ago. Now, you know as well as I do, to beat a tractor, I mean, you can do it in a day. It don't take 10 years. I'd be more interested in knowing, you know, how many hours have been put on that tractor in the last 10 years since the new PTO, since the new TA, the new flywheel, hydraulic pump, all that stuff. That's what I'd want to know. But yeah, let's listen to this thing run. I mean, they got the quick hitch on the back, which actually I do like for a 3-point hitch. I used to plow with a quick hitch. Now it does have this goofy, let's blow this up. It's got the goofy black stripe on the door. Yeah, I mean, it's sun faded, you know, it's in its work clothes, but who cares? I mean, paint's the least of my worries. And, you know, again, if the cab's cozy and the AC works, and the heat works, and I don't know, it might work. But yeah, I'll be bidding on this. As far as it is, I mean, you're looking at Kansas, man. I've got to figure at least on the cheaps a $2,000 delivery. So I don't know. I mean, how high am I going on this? Am I going 12,000? I mean, I probably, you know, but you're going to see in this video that I'm about to show you of it running. And I don't know, they may have overlooked it. So maybe I'm thinking in or looking into it myself too much, but they didn't raise the 3-point up and down with quick hitch on it. They had the PTOs a spinning, but why not raise that quick hitch up and down? I don't know. But anyways, here it is. Well, there you go. A couple of tractors I'll be bidding on tomorrow. Wish me luck. Now, luck can also include you didn't buy a lemon. But in order to buy a lemon, you'd have to have yellow in your color scheme. Yeah, we don't do that stuff. In yesterday's video, 3, 4 of you pointed out that 1066 was actually a 9 with a turbo and a heavy duty clutch and TA installed. Well, you're right. Good job on that. I knew that going into it. I didn't mention it. I am mentioning it now. I'm still interested in the tractor. The guy with the 826 hasn't got back with me to try to coordinate to get down there. Who knows? Maybe he sold it. I don't know. But I'll keep you posted as far as how I do on these tractors tomorrow. Let me know what you think. Boom.